At number 1, meet the Our Place Cast Iron Always Pan, a premium 10-inch 8-in-1 cookware that redefines versatility in the kitchen. This multifunctional pan can grill, sear, braise, fry, roast, bake, broil, stew, and even serve, making it a true all-in-one solution for everyday cooking. Made from high-quality enameled cast iron, it delivers superior heat retention and even cooking without the need for seasoning. Designed for performance and convenience, it's safe for stovetop, oven, and broiler use up to 500 fries without the lid. The set includes a tempered glass lid that locks in moisture or releases steam when needed, custom-fit silicone hot grips for easy handling, and a nesting Beechwood spatula that stores neatly. Its black matte enamel interior enhances browning and flavor, while the glossy blue salt exterior resists chips and stains, adding a modern touch to your kitchen. Durable, toxin-free, and built to last, the Our Place Cast Iron Always Pan is where timeless craftsmanship meets everyday functionality. At number 2, the Backcountry Iron 12-inch round large pre-seasoned cast iron skillet is a handcrafted American classic made for serious cooking. With its 12.25-inch diameter and 4.75-inch handle, it ensures excellent heat retention and even cooking for consistent results. Pre-seasoned with a blend of food-grade oils, it's ready to use immediately, offering a smoother surface than many competitors. Made in the USA from premium virgin iron ore, this skillet delivers durability, tradition, and performance in one pan. Compatible with all cooktops, ovens, broilers, grills, and campfires, it's perfect for searing, roasting, baking, or frying. Easy to maintain, just hand wash, dry, and oil lightly to prevent rust. It also includes a heat-resistant handle cover for safe use. Crafted by a small artisan company, the Backcountry Iron Skillet is a timeless, durable essential built to last for generations. At number 3, we have the Bruntmor 10x 16-inch cast iron skillet, a perfect blend of durability, performance, and style. Built for superior heat retention and even heat distribution, this skillet is ideal for searing, frying, sautéing, and slow cooking. Seasoned for a naturally non-stick surface, it ensures easy food release and simple cleanup that gets even better with every use. Versatile and long-lasting, it performs beautifully on the stove, in the oven, on the grill, or over an open flame. With its stylish steel design and solid craftsmanship, the Bruntmor skillet makes a thoughtful gift for birthdays, holidays, or any home cook. The Bruntmor 10x 16-inch cast iron skillet built to last and designed to impress. At number 4, we have the Lodge 12-inch cast iron skillet, a true American classic crafted by a family-owned company that's been perfecting cast iron since 1896. This pre-seasoned skillet comes coated with 100% natural vegetable oil, offering a non-stick surface that gets better with every use, and it's completely free from harmful chemicals like PFOA or PTFE. Designed with an ergonomic assist handle and a red silicone hot handle holder, it ensures a safe, comfortable grip and easy handling during cooking. Known for its superior heat retention and even heat distribution, this skillet is perfect for searing, sautéing, baking, broiling, frying, and even grilling, whether on the stove, in the oven, or over a campfire. Easy to care for with just a wash, dry, and light oiling, the Lodge cast iron skillet is built to deliver timeless performance that lasts for generations. At number 5, we have the Mueller heavy-duty cast iron skillet, a 10-inch kitchen essential built for durability and everyday performance. Crafted from premium quality cast iron, this skillet delivers exceptional heat retention and even cooking, ensuring perfectly seared meats, crisp edges, and golden finishes every time. Its classic design makes it ideal for frying, baking, and searing, while the sturdy construction guarantees long-lasting reliability. With its generous 10-inch surface, the Mueller cast iron skillet offers versatility for all kinds of meals from breakfast favorites to hearty dinners, making it a dependable tool every home cook should have.